pussy, actually.
It was sounded like it.
Do you want me to talk you through it as you're doing it, or do you not give a shit?
Oh.
Should I try and educate you?
You can try. I've had like nearly 18 years of education. I don't even know my own name.
We got pizza. This one's not a pizza.
My actual mum's flops are on it.
Okay, I'll put the primer on your face first.
That's done.
So I'm not rubbing grease all over your face. You can eat that.
Okay.
Do you want to brush your hair out your face? I didn't want to like, just like...
Twitch it because it's greasy.
No, I didn't want to put like a wig cap on you because then you'll be ugly for the whole video. Do you?
Okay, I'll hold it up and then you put the cum on my face. Oh.
What's this? Just cut yourself.
I cut myself. I can't be a man.
See, I cut myself because I'm a man. Already been cancelled.
I've already been cancelled. But there was this little boy and he wanted to be a girl.
Shagged him.
On the video it said it was like trying to cut his dick off with nail clippers.
Oh. I'm going to put you one of these on first and then if I find a net we'll do that. Is it good?
So good.
Do you have a big head?
In what sense?
Do you ever consider yourself to have a big head?
All the time.
Because I have a big head.
I look like a mole. Do you ever eat?
No.
That'd be a video. Faggot dies on your YouTube.
Mm. You would want me to post this out of respect.
It is drier than my nan's sex life. Actually, no, Taylor's sex life.
It's not as dry as my nan's sex life.
Oh god.
Man. I licked my nan out.
What was that like?
Her sex life wasn't the only thing that was wet. From all the crying.
Oh my god. I am slightly mad at the girl with me.
Like, we've had a fight, and not over it yet, we're still mad at each other.
We're still mad at each other. It can make it better to me. I do look a bit like a mole, I think, like a condom or a sperm.
Oh,
Love a good sperm.
I'm having to do everything one-handed.
I'm used to it.
Oh my god. I think if it wasn't for food, I wouldn't be alive. If you don't know what this is, try watching any drag tutorial ever.
Any video ever.
I guess it leaves my instructions like, I've covered this in another video, just watch my other videos instead. Oh my god, I'm so gassy. Thanks to Rubicon. Someone sponsor me, please, and Paul. Well, the past couple of times I've glued people's eyebrows down, it's been shit.
Well,
Every time I do someone's makeup, they always complain.
well, you know what?
About how hard I am. Jordan did anyway. Take a minute. I wish I was talented like Aria and was able to put you in drag with your eyebrows. But
Did you use my eyebrows?
yeah,
I can't remember.
she used your real eyebrows.
It was like Hiroshima. What's it called? Fukushima? Chernobyl. I think because we were in like year 11, I think it might have been a nonce.
Maybe it was when he
He
like...
did shag me, so...
Yeah, maybe when he fiddled me under the table, a bit of a giveaway. We had a science teacher get sacked because he got a random boner in the class once.
Oh my god.
Well, it happens.
It does. I get them all the time. In fact, I've got one now.
Mine stopped working.
It's all like Coke.
It was lovely.
Oh.
So,
I just think it's messy.
that's why you douche. Boop, boop, boop.
Oh, she's white.
This is your cheek.
It is. I thought it was my ass. Cheek. I was on YouTube once. I sang about cats. And it wasn't my choice.
Look at this painted forehead. I just live.
It looks like a rolled in dirt. It looks so pretty.
Now we're gonna pinch your nose, give you a tiny little Michael Jackson nose.
I feel like I have to concentrate with you, but I was like looking dead in the camera. It's so hard being this fun and attractive.
It's just hard being like a total package. Look at that fucking jawline I just did. It's a bit insane, actually.
I look like the Vivian.
When she did the black.
When she did the black, yeah.
Yeah.
I love pigeons.
I actually do. I think they're so cute.
I hate seagulls.
I hate seagulls.
I do not want a seagull to like rag my fucking sausage.
Oh yeah, you do. Remember this.
I really like that carrot.
It's the cutest thing, isn't it? It's my happy carrot.
That's what I call my dick.
I thought it was, they sold it around Easter last year and I thought it's so cute, I've got to get one. And I got one for my mum as well because I thought it was cute and it just looked the kind of thing she'd like. And now it's like a really special thing between us now. She's like, oh, my carrot, she gets it out every day and she just has it on her bed.
Good to go out every day.
She just thinks it's cute.
Oh, that's a mood. I love it when it comes out.
I hate getting fingered.
I love it.
Harry is short for Henry. Did you know that?
Is it?
They literally have the same amount of letters in their name, but technically Harry is short for Henry.
Like, I want to know what it's like to be dead without dying. Literally my everyday life.
Just go to sleep.
I want to see what I look like when I sleep.
Yeah.
Snatch. Does she snatch?
She's getting there. So first I'm going to just figure out where your eyes are going to go. So I'm going to draw... I think I'm going to cover your whole actual eyelid in eyeliner, so that's going to go like there.
You know what I really want to be? A dinner lady.
I think that's the shape we're going to go for.
I feel like I just keep looking dead into the camera.
Oh, that just changed the game.
Oh.
Little ombre. Oh.
What is it? Ooh.
Much of it. Actually, that'll be enough of it. What's my finger wet?
I don't want to know.
That's really weird. What?
There's a lot that you do on off camera. Oh god, it's all come off my face.
And then I'm going to put even some actual just white under your eyes so they're even brighter.
Oh.
Because I just like really bright cheeks.
I like my contour. Like I like my coffee. Dark.
And full of...
spunk.
Yeah. I feel like some people probably don't like contour in their jaws this harsh, but I always just feel like I love just a really defined jaw, but some people might think it looks like I've drawn a beard on me. But so I don't really like do the giant sculpted cheeks, I just like do a bit of shadow. They're natural like that.
We don't want to look like we're wearing makeup.
Oh god no. Man.
That's why I couldn't be a heroin addict.
You just couldn't afford it as well, you cheap bitch.
Yeah. Come on.
You were going to wear my boobs, weren't you?
Yeah.
I should have done that before the makeup. We'll see. Yeah, but it's just they ruin makeup, like, because they go over your head. I mean, I put them on yesterday, and was it yesterday? No, the day before yesterday without ruining makeup. You just have to, like, be very careful.
I've never had an STD.
And then I'm going to do a yellow lid, so it's going to be just like a lovely little sunset colour story look up again. This isn't going to be a very informative video, is it?
No.
It's just going to be a very, like, watch and get ready with us.
It's like, watch me get my face beat
Exactly.
by a faggot.
Yeah. Well, it's very nice and open-minded of you to be here supporting the gays.
Supporting the gays. It's what my nan would have wanted.
As a gay man himself.
So.
Now the yellow.
For the yellow.
Love yellow, and that's a yellow. Woohoo.
That is a yellow. Wow, wow.
The Body Shop did that.
They did that.
Yellow. Okay, now for the liner. This is the part where it gets like intense. Okay, like close your eye, but then open it wide so I can like really get to all your lid. Yeah, just like that. Just so whoop. I go over that with liquid eyeliner because it's even blacker. There's the liner.
The liner's done.
And the face. That looks like me if you cover like the bottom of your face, and that just look like a video of me.
Yeah.
Draw it on so lots of flicks, making it look like this is an eyebrow that's growing out your head.
My head has a lot of hair.
Oh yeah. How long have you been down there?
Like a couple of seconds.
Okay.
Not long.
Probably.
Angle the Summers and OMG.
Hello. I walked you home, well, part of the way. Yeah. Oh my god, you only just woke up. I hope so. I really like I did the brow cover really well and the eyebrows and everything.
Yeah.
It just looks really soft. And I'm really happy with it.
Just looks really natural. Like.
Someone forgot their key.
I'm locked out. I'm locked out.
No.
Barely.
Who gets fucking locked out and decides to slam straight for fucking that long? That's so annoying. These eyes are it.
I love the eyes.
That little white dot.
No white dot.
And from a distance just makes your nose look tiny.
And feminine.
And pinched and little. I overdrew them in the middle, so then you'll have like a brassy mouth.
I do love a dark lip.
Really, same. I only like dark lips.
It's weird because it does look like you a little bit.
Yeah, especially in the camera.
I like the lips.
Okay.
I could do it like make it look like I'm smiling.
That's what I always draw on, like a smile. I draw the upper
I know, that's
upper
so
corners
weird.
like that. It's really weird, yeah. Highlight.
Oh, highlight, of course. Yeah.
Is it catching the light? Yes. Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Hi.
Hi, Mike.
This is so weird.
Why?
Because it does look like you.
I think that's the mid. Oh, I'll draw on some lower lashes because I do that sometimes. But I think if you put lashes on, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
And the makeup's done. Should I get ready then while you pick an outfit and stuff? Or?
Yes.
Ta-da, it's done. Okay, we're in a rush, so I'm going.
Yeah, fine.
I did good.
I'm done.